बहुत point है।
Yes.
जो वाला चावल
See. Nana Jansi. Yes. Everyone. Can you see this? Yes. Come on, let me see how many of you are able to do. Yes. Can you see? Yeah. C. Alphabet.
Manila maman pala.
C.
Gagga pala.
Come on. Alphabet C. Yes, Rohita. Come on, start doing, Rohita. Start doing, start doing.
Raju bitch. Na patuko.
Start doing, Kavyani. Good morning, Farnaz.
Patches asa kara.
Farnaz, good morning. C. And next, Ram is going to do diction. Good morning. Oh, here Ram has done O. Next alphabet is O. Yeah. And with this O, Ram is going to join a small slanting line and make it
Cute.
fit. Okay. Now what alphabet is this? Now what alphabet is this?
Cute.
Yes. Q, right? Alphabet Q, capital letter Q. Yes. If you add a slanting line to O, it becomes Q. Yes?
Chua.
Yes, very good, Devresh. Now start doing with your clay. Start doing it with your clay. Come on. Farnas, good morning, Farnas.
Nani ma'am.
Yeah, start doing Farnas.
Nikemi unanda daddy
Yes.
chapna.
Computer scene.
Rohita,
Nila ma'am, मैं
yes,
computer
everyone. Mute yourself, then only you can hear me. Yes, I'm going to see everyone. Yes, very good, Kavyani. Everyone mute yourself, then only you can hear me. Okay, children? Enough. Yes, very good, Zadie. Nitek, are you doing Nitek? Where is it, Janvi? Where is your circle first? See O. And then if you attach a slanting line, it becomes Q. Correct? Yes? Show me what you have done, everyone. Show ma'am what you have done. Show me what you have done. Kavyani, show me what you have done. Pranita, show me. Yes. Tanvin. Yes, it's O. Attach. Attach the slanting line. It becomes Q. Attach a slanting line. It becomes Q. Yes, Q. Very good.
Q for queen.
Yes. Queen. Yes, queen. Q for queen. Q for quilt. Very good. Now make a circle and then attach a slanting line. Yes, Siddharth. Did you do? Yes, it is not that much difficult, children. Just make it straight like this. Straight like this. Sanite. Good morning, Sanite. And then you are going to stick both the ends together. When you stick both the ends, it becomes O, like this. Okay, one more time.
Test பண்ண speaker வரும்.
Just like this. Make a shape like this. And then when you join both the ends, press it. You press it, it becomes O. And then have to stick another
வேணாம் நான் அனுப்பிச்சிட்டு எனக்கு அசிங்கமா
become Q. Yes, Sanitesh, come on, start doing. Yes. Let me see how many of you are able to do. Yes, Sai, Satvika, Satvika. Finish, Satvika. Yes. Very good. Very good. Next alphabet is going to be U. U is very easy, children. U. 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 Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, very good, Farnaz. Very good. U. Then try to do your own things. You can explore all the things. Yes, Kavyani, show me what you have done. Yes. Very nice, very nice. Well done. Dikshan, where are you, Dikshan? Mute yourself, children, then only you can hear me. Mute yourself. Yes, mute yourself. Very good, very good, very good. And then, if you tilt it like this, it becomes N. Small letter N. You tilt it like this, it becomes small letter N. Sai Nitesh. Sai Nitesh.
இத வாங்கி வாங்க நீங்க கட்டுறது கூட நாளைக்கு பாத்துக்கலாம் அதை வைங்க நீங்க
Sai Nitesh.
நீங்க அதை வாங்கி வாங்க நான் காலகாலத்துல செய்ய
Yeah, very good. Letter is going to be T. See here, a standing line and top side, another strip. If you add, it becomes T. Yes. Yes. T. Capital letter T. Can you see? Yes. T. Yes. Come on, do it. Let me see how many of you are able to do capital letter T. Yes. Who has done? Where is it, Tarnika? Come on, show me your clay. Everyone are doing very good. Yes. Finish it and show me. Tomorrow we'll do some more else. Very good, Satvika. Very good, Satvika. And then Zaidi finish. Very good, Zaidi. Very good, Dev Krish. Very good, Dev Krish. Very good, Danvin. Very nice. Good, Danvin. Janvi. Very good, Janvi, but you have to show like this. Janvi like this. Very good, Janvi.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Next question. Next, Kartikeyan, Ashmi. Very good, children. All of you have done. Very good. Even Vishan. You also have done. Very good, Vishan. Nitik, very nice. That's very good. Nikita. Yeah, good morning. Very good. Kavyani.
Ammaka, vanilla ma'am. Vanilla ma'am.
Kavyani, Very nice. Ishan, Zadie, everyone telling. Dikshan. Dikshan. Where is Dikshan? Dikshan, show me. I can't see Dikshan. Yes, very good, all of you. Very good, very good, very good. Okay. Nukshita, where is your tea? Yes, try doing at home, okay? After this session is over, try doing all the alphabets at home, okay, children? Yes? Okay, now all of you, we are going to start our session. Stand up. All of you stand up. Keep your clay aside. Stand up. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Everyone, join your hands. Close your eyes. Kids the anthem. You're within me. You're infinite. You're unique. My potential inside. You're the wings beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Yes, open up your eyes. Good morning.
Good morning, Vanilla ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Stand up, don't sit down, all of you. Stand up. Stand up, all of you. Don't sit down. Stand up.
Good
Yes.
morning.
All of you jump for 10 times. Jump for 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good, children. Now you're all going to run. Come on, run in your places. Sainitesh, stand up and run. Run, 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 Sainitesh. Come on, run. Yes, boy, run, 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 run. Very good, very good, very good, very good. And now, hopping. You all know how to hop? How to hop? Lift your leg. Hop. Hop a little, jump a little, 1, 2, 3. Run a little, skip a little, tap your knee. Bend a little, stretch a little, nod your head. Yawn a little, sleep a little in your bed. Very good, children. And the next thing, activity rhyme, head, shoulders. Are you ready? Very Sainitesh, still running Sainitesh. Yes, head, shoulders. First, ma'am is going to sing slowly, and then ma'am is going to sing fast. Okay, are you all ready? Stand up. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and nose and mouth. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. It's going to very fast. Okay, guys, unmuted your audio. Please mute your audio. Yes, please mute your audio. Yes, very good. Now, ma'am is going to sing fast. Okay, head, shoulder, knees and toes, head, shoulder, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and nose and mouth. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Kavyani, you're not able to catch up. Yes, one more time, ma'am is going to sing fast. You're going to catch up along with ma'am. Okay, Kavyani? Yes, now fast. One more time. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, head, shoulder, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and nose and mouth. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Very good, children. Very good. Now all of you close your fingers. Both of your hands like this. You are going to count from 1 to 20. Are you all ready? Yes, you yourself can count, but don't mute your audio, children. Okay? Don't mute your audio. Unmute your audio. Okay, Janvi. Okay, come on, close your fingers. Close now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9, 10. Very good. Now from 11 to 20. Are you all ready? One more time. Close your fingers. Ready? Devkrish, stop playing with your clay. Now we are going to road count. Okay? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and next is 20. Very good, children. Well done, well done, well done. Now all of you sit down. All of you sit down. It's time for our attendance. Yes, Devarakshita. Devarakshita, are you there? Danvin. Danvin. Yes, very good. Devkrish. Very good. Devkrish. Devkrish. Very good, Devkrish. Dikshan. 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 Very good, Dikshan. Farnaz. Farnaz. Very good, Farnaz. Hashni. Very good, Hashni. Janvi. Yes, Janvi. Yes, very good. Kavyani. Kavyani. Kavyani, what you should say? Very good, Kavyani. Kartikeyan. Very good, Kartikeyan. Mokshita. Mokshita is there? Nitik.
मैं हुडी जाने के मने ना अतना सोरे में
Still you want someone to remember you, Nitik? You forgot? Nukshita. Nukshita. Nukshita, where are you? Nukshita, stay here. Okay, Pranita. Pranita. Where are you, Pranita? Yes, very good. Pranita. Very good. Ritvik. Ritvik.
கொஞ்சம் பாரு சாய்மா. சாய்மா ப்ளீஸ் சாய்மா.
Okay. Rohita.
மிஸ் கவனியும் சாய்மா.
Rohita.
ப்ளீஸ் சாய்மா. சாய் குட்டி.
Good morning, ma'am.
Rohita.
I'm here. Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, Rohita. Sai Nitesh. Very good. Sai Nitesh. Say yes, ma'am. Ritvik, you joined now only, Ritvik. Good morning, Ritvik. No crying, Ritvik. Why are you crying? What happened to Ritvik? Smiley face.
Good morning.
Yes, Ritvik. That's the spirit, Ritvik. Good boy. Satvika. Satvika. Very good, Satvika. Siddharth. Very good, Siddharth. Tarnika. Yes, very good. Tarnika. Very good. Tilakar. Tilakar. Vishang. Vishang. Very good, Vishang. Vivan. Vivan. Okay, Vivan, I'm asking you, Vivan. Daddy. Daddy, are you there?
Yes.
Very good, Daddy. Very good, children. Very good, children. Children, what did you do in the morning, children? What was your mummy doing in the morning? Yes, what was mummy doing in the morning? Can anybody tell me? Yes, Pranita. Yes, Pranita, can you tell me what your mummy was doing in the morning? Or else, Zaddy, you can also say. Mummy was doing. Yes, Zaddy. Mummy was working. Yes. Yes. What did you help? Did you help your mummy today? Did you help your mummy today? No. No. You didn't help your mummy today? Yes. How many of you helped your mom today in the morning? How many of you helped? How many of you helped, Ma? Nobody. Oh my God, Mummy was working alone. Yes. You didn't help her to clean the house also. Okay, today we are going to see a concept regarding cleaning only. Okay, how to keep your surroundings clean. Okay, children, first all of you mute yourself. Sai Nitesh, mute பண்ணிக்கோங்க. கேட்ட மட்டும் போகுது. Sai Nitesh, grandparents are there, right?
அவங்க வரலம்மா.
Yes. Thank you. Children, we are going to see about how to keep your surroundings clean. Satvika, listen, Satvika. First, listen. How to keep your surroundings clean. What do you mean by surrounding? Yes, the place where you live. You have to keep the place clean where you live. Okay. First, we have to start with our home. Okay. Now, ma'am is going to present and show you how to keep your home and your surroundings clean. Okay, children. Wait, I'm going to present now. Yes, how to keep your surrounding clean. Okay, first we are going to start with your toys. Children, you're all playing with your toys, right? See what this child is doing. What he is doing? He's shattering all the toys and he is playing. See how the place is? Is that place very neat, children? No, right? See how clumsy that place is? See how clumsy? Yes? Are you all playing with your toys like this? In your home? Yes, you are shattering your toys here and there and you are all making it clumsy? Yes or no? No, very good. Next. See here, after playing, what you have to do? You have to clean up your toys. Okay, children? After playing whatever toys you want, you can take and play. But after playing, what you have to do, Janavi? What you have to do, Janavi? You have to clean up your toys. Okay, you should not put it like that and go. Okay, Janavi? See. See the boy? He took everything in a tub or a carton box. You can take it and you can keep it in a separate place. Again, next day morning, take it from that place, play with your toys and again clean up. Okay, children? Don't expect your mom or dad to come and clean it. You can do your own work. Yes? Then only your house will be very clean. Okay, children? See here what this child is doing. Vivan, Janavi, Satvika Sri. What this child is doing? Look here. Look at the picture. See here. The child is cleaning the floor. See, she has spilled something down on the floor. And what she is doing? She is cleaning. Okay. She is not expecting her mom or dad to come and clean it. Okay. She herself is cleaning. When you drop something down also, children, you yourself can do it when it is easy. Okay.
டக்குன்னு இவன் நோண்டிடுவான், தெரியும் போதே வந்து நோண்டிடுவான்.
What this boy
பாருங்க,
is doing?
பார்க்க மாட்டேங்கிறான் அமைதியா.
Yes.
எப்படிங்க
Doing Sanitesh.
ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் பண்ணு.
He is cleaning the table. Yes, cleaning the table is very easy work. You can just take a cloth in your hand and you can clean the table also. Okay, children. Now, see, in this pandemic situation, you have to keep yourself and your home also very clean. So, whenever you get free time, you can help your mom in cleaning tables, chairs, everything. Okay. See here, when you help your mama, what she will give you? What mama is going to give you? Yes, what mama is going to give you? Tell me, Nightek.
You
What Mama is going to give you? She is going to give you a gift or a chocolate or a toy, something which you like, okay? And then when you help your, yes, when you help your daddy, he is also going to give you a gift, children, okay? So when you help others, you're going to be rewarded with what you like, okay, children? Here, see what these children are doing. What these children are doing? Come on, tell me, Pranita. What these children are doing? They are watering the plant. They are planting and watering. Yes, you should also do it, children. When you have free time, try to plant and water it also. Okay. See here, the same work. These kids are also doing the same work. Okay. What is this? Will you throw all the waste particles on the floor, children? Yes, will you throw everything on the floor? No, it is not good. You should take and throw it only in the dustbin. Okay, if you see in your house some pieces of paper on the floor or any waste things like banana peel or something, what you see, take it and put it in the dustbin. If you do like that only, your surroundings will be very clean and you will also be healthy. Okay, children? Now I am going to call one by one and ask Kavyani what these children are doing, Kavyani. What these children are, yeah, what they are cleaning? Cleaning all the waste and putting it in the dustbin. Okay, Tarnika, what these children are doing, Tarnika? What these children are doing? Planting. Yes, they are planting. See, Zeddy, what these children are doing, Zeddy?
Plant.
They are watering the plants. Yes, they are watering the plants. And then, yeah, Satvika. Satvika, what is this?
Mom, I want
Yes, Satvika, tell me what is this?
to potty.
Yes, that is giving gift to the child. Yes, why everyone is laughing? You love gift, everyone. Zaddy, mute yourself, Zaddy. See here. What is mom doing here? Vivan, tell me what this mom is doing. Yes, tell me, Vivan.
See.
Yes, he's giving gift. Very good, Vivan. Nukshita, what this boy is doing, Nukshita? Yes, Nukshita. What this boy is doing? He is cleaning the table, right? Very good, Nukshita. And then, Pranita, what this girl is doing, Pranita? Yes, mute and tell me, unmute and tell me.
Washing.
No washing, she is cleaning the floor. Okay?
Cleaning.
Yeah, Farnas. Farnas, what this boy is doing? Yes, Farnas, what this boy is doing? Cleaning his? What is he cleaning? Yes, he is cleaning his toys. Okay, Nitek. What this boy is doing, Nitek?
Toys.
Arranging toys.
Very good, Nitek. Yes, and now one final question, children. Will you all scatter your toys like this and play at home? Yes? No, you should not play like that, okay? After playing, what you should do? Have to arrange your toys. From today onwards, everyone are going to arrange your toys on your phone and you are going to help your mama in few works like cleaning, everything. Okay, children? Now I'm going to come back.
பாருங்க அது
Yes,
கூட
children.
அவனோடது வரலையே
Yes, children. Did you see what those children were doing? Yes? You all will help your mama from today? Yes? Will you all help your mummy in cleaning? Everything? Cleaning your toys, cleaning the house, everything you will do? How many of you will do? Thumbs up. How many of you will do? Yes, Karthikeyan will do, Dikshan will do, Farnaz will do, and then Janvi will do. Everyone? Sai Nitesh also will help. Satvika will help your mama. Yes, Satvika. Yes, very good. You have to help your mummy. Then only she'll give you lot of chocolates, gifts, stars, everything. Okay, children? Now all of you stand up. Stand up, all of you. Yes, stand up, all of you. Stand up. Yes, stand up. We are going to sing an activity rhyme. Okay, clap your hands, rhyme. Ready? You can sing from there itself, okay? But don't unmute your audio, okay, children? Clap your hands, clap your hands. Listen to the music and clap your hands. Tap your thighs, tap your thighs. Listen to the music and tap your thighs. Turn around, turn around. Listen to the music and turn around. Jump up, high. Listen to the music and jump up. Hi, very good children. Wonderful. Now you all can go drink water and come back. Come on, all of you, drink one glass of water and come back. Yes, very good. Drink some water. Come back fast. Mom is waiting. Yes, ready? Everyone finished drinking water? Yes, Natik finished. Janvi finished. Everyone finished drinking water? Yes. Is enough. Now come on, sit down, all of you. Sit, 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 sit. Yes. Language session. Are you all ready? Is all of you ready? Yes. Okay, children. Yes, very good, very good. Now one by one, everyone mute your audio. One by one, I'm going to call and you're going to tell me what is it, okay? Dikshan. Dikshan, what is it?
A, B,
A. And what is this? What is it?
A.
Small a. What is the sound of a? What is the sound of a? Yeah. Oh my god. Apple. Alligator. Okay. And then next is Rohita. Rohita, what is this?
D.
Rohita.
Okay,
Are
Chapo.
you there, Rohita?
Yes, I'm there. No, Chapo. B,
Yes.
Chapo.
Good girl, Rohita Chapo. What happened to Rohita today? Why she is crying?
Nothing, ma'am.
What,
She
ma'am?
don't interest to class.
Yes?
Chap, and then B,
I can't hear you what you're saying.
B, Chapo, Chapo. What is that?
What is that?
Chapo.
Rohita? Okay, I'll come back afterwards, Rohita. Okay? But don't cry, okay? No crying. Okay? Rohita is a good girl.
B,
Okay. Okay, Rohita. Don't cry. Hashmi.
ma'am.
Hashmi.
Vanilla.
Yeah, wait, Hashmi. What is it,
Vanilla,
Hashmi?
B.
B. And what is this?
C, small B. Small B.
What is this?
Small D.
What is it?
Small D.
Vanilla, ma'am.
Small B. See a standing line. Front side curve. Make a
Small
letter
B.
B. Small B. What is the sound of B, Ashley?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the sound of B? Ba. Very good, Ashni. Very good. Bring your bat and bring your ball. Ba. Ba. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. Ba. Okay, very good, Ashni. Well done. A star for Ashni. And then, who is going to say Kartikeyan? What is it? Kartikeyan?
C.
Yes, it is C. Okay. And what is this?
C.
Small C. Okay. What is this? Small C. Okay, Kartikeyan. Can you see Kartikeyan? Yes? Okay. Small C. What is the sound of C? What is the sound of C? We are cooking castanets. We are cooking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Okay. Sound of C is K. Okay. And the next is Farnaz. Can you tell me what is this, Farnaz? Unmute and tell me, Farnaz. Yes, Farnaz. Unmute and tell me. What is this? D. And what is this? Small d. Small d, may one standing line. Backside curve. Make a letter. Small d. Okay, what is the sound of D, Farnaz? The. See me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun with the da 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 da. Playing drums is lots of fun. Yes? Very good. Farnaz is going to get a star. Very good, Farnaz. And then Vishank. Vishank, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, sir. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Vishank. What is it?
E.
What is it?
It's me.
Yeah. Vishank, I'll give you chocolate. I'll give you star. Want a star? Tell me what is it? Tell me what is it, Vishank?
Ma'am, we will give you chocolates only if you say, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll give you chocolate now itself through the mobile. Yeah? You want to? E, well done, Vishank. You're addicted to chocolate, baby. Is it? Small E. Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Crack the egg like this. E. Very good, Vishank. Vishank is going to get 2 chocolates today. Very good, Vishank. Well done, children. And today's worksheet. Everyone get ready with your worksheet. We are going to do B. See here. B. Can you all see the worksheet? B. Everybody take your worksheets and be ready. Take your pencils. Take your worksheet. Ram is going to present now, okay? Take your worksheets, children. Yes, first, take your pointer finger. Zadie, wait. No need to write with your pencil, Zadie. First, you are going to trace with your pointer finger. Children, with your pointer finger. That is our first step. Okay? Show me your pointer finger, everyone. Where is your pointer finger? Yeah. Yes. Pointer finger. Keep it in number 1. You have number 1 here, right? Number 1. From here, you have to come down. Here. And from 2, like this. Yes. With your pointer finger first. That is our first step. Then only we'll move on to writing. Okay, children? With your pointer finger. Standing line. Front side curve. Make a letter. B. You have to spell and write, children. B. Have to do it 3 times. Count and do. 1 time. First time, standing line. Front side curve. It is very important to say front side curve because back side curve becomes letter D. Okay, children? Standing line, front side curve, make a letter B. Yes? Standing line, front side curve, make a letter B. Yes? Very good. Finish 3 times, children. Those who finished can take this page. Those who finish can take this page. Take this page. Yes, children. Can you see the page, everyone? Yes, first we are going to say the name of the pictures given in this. Okay, children? B for balloon. Balloon. And then B for basket. Yes? And then B for bus. Bus. You have to say like that, children. Balloon. Basket. Bus. And then butterfly. Okay. Now we can start writing, children. Okay. For writing B, I'm going to write now. Standing line. Standing line. One curve, another curve, make a letter B, capital B. One standing line, one curve, another curve, make a letter B. Yes, come on, start writing. Standing line, one curve, another curve, make a letter B. Yes. Yes, right, children. Now I'm going to my whiteboard. Okay, children. Now can you see? I'm going to write now. Okay. See, standing line, front side curve, make a letter B. Standing line, first standing line from red line to blue line, and then a curve, make a letter B. Yes, slowly you can write. One more time. Standing line, front side curve, make a letter B. Yes, write on your own, children. Even if it is very slow also, it's okay. Try to write on your own because tracing dots are given in your books. So no need to worry. You can write slowly. Even if it is one line also, try to write on your own, children. Yes, even if it is one line also, try to write on your own. Yes, slowly trace the dots. Slowly. Concentrate on tracing over the dots. Then you can do it, children. There is nothing that we cannot do. We can do everything. Try to write. Slowly try to write. Yes, one more time. Ma'am is writing. Standing line. Front side curve. Make a letter B. Spell and write, children. It's very important. Spell and write. B. Standing line. Front side curve. Make a letter B. Then only in future you will not get doubts in writing D and B. You have to spell and write. Standing line. Front side curve. Make a letter B. Yes. Slowly you can write. Kavyani, are you writing, Kavyani? Standing line.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, come on, write. I'm watching everyone. Dikshan.
Super, really good. I am watching now.
Vishank. Vishank wants chocolate. I'm having 3 chocolates in my hand. You want chocolate? You have
I'm writing.
chocolate.
I'm
Dairy
writing.
milk chocolates I have. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Writing.
Very good, Vishank. Very good, very good. Everyone ready? Yes, Janvi finished. Very good, Janvi. Yeah, ma'am is going to come back now. I'm going to come back. I'm going to come back now. Yes. Yes, very good, Hashni. Oh yeah, I'm seeing. See there, ma'am. You should try to talk in English, ma. Very good, Hashni. Hashni gets a star. Green color. Star for Hashni. Yes, Hashni. Yes. Next, who is going to finish? Who has finished? Danvin. Danvin finished. Very good, Danvin. Lift your notebook and show it to me. Lift your notebook. Yes, very good, Danvin. Very neat handwriting. Danvin is also getting a star. Danvin, star for you. And then who has finished? Tarnika. Yeah, Tarnika has finished. Very good, Tarnika. And then Parnas. Tarnika is also getting a star. Now Parnas. Very good, Parnas. Parnas is also going to get a star now. Purple star. Okay, next. Sai Nitesh finished. Sai Nitesh finished. Very good, Sai Nitesh. Show me your book, Sai Nitesh. Well done, Sai Nitesh. Well done, well done. Show me your book, Sai Nitesh. Yes, very good. Next, Karthikeyan. Finished. Well done, Karthikeyan. Also gets a star. Very good, Karthikeyan. Janvi finish. Janvi finish. Yes, Janvi, show me your book. Very good, Janvi. Janvi is getting it on. Very good, Janvi. Very good. Janvi, see that? Star for you. Very good. Dikshan, show me your book. Yes, Dikshan. Where is Dikshan? Janvi, mute your audio, ma. Janvi, mute. Very good. Dikshan. Very good, Dikshan. I can see you, Dikshan. Siddharth. Very good, Siddharth. Very neat handwriting, Siddharth. Very good. Siddharth also gets a star. Star for Siddharth. Very good. Next, Naitik.
Thank you, ma'am.
Well done, well done. Nitek. Where is Nitek?
Hi, Vanilla Mama.
ma'am. Look.
Where is Nitek? Rohita. Very good, Rohita.
Thank you, ma'am. Chepo.
Good girl, Rohita.
Chepo.
You're doing all this work well and you're crying, Rohita. You're very good, children. All of you finished writing B. Very good, very good, very good. All of you are going to get two stars. Very good. Two stars for you, children. Very good, very good, very good. Very good. Two stars. Very good.
Thank you.
Next, children, our maths activity sheet you all have. Yes, ma'am is going to show you now. Okay, take that sheet. Numbers activity sheet you have, children. Yes. You all have this sheet. Yes, yesterday we planned for doing it, but we missed it, right? Today we are going to do this. Okay, children? Now get ready. We are going to match the shapes, okay? To its corresponding number. Okay, children? Ready? Thumbs up if you all are ready. Thumbs up those who are ready. Yes. Very good. Now, where is number 1? Yes, children. Look here.
What is the page number, ma'am?
Here is number 1.
Excuse me, ma'am. What is the page number?
It's not a page number, sir. I already messaged you, right? To
Okay.
draw and keep it ready for the activity. Actually, we were planning it to do yesterday. Due to talk time, we were not able to do.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, number 1. Where can you see one object, children? Can you see one object? Where is number 1 and one object can you see? It is here. Yes. Yes, did you all match it? Yes, very good. Now we are going to go to number 2. Can you see two objects here? 1, 2. Where can you see? Is this two objects? Shall we count and see? 1, 2, 3. No, it's not two objects. No, it's wrong. Then where can it be? Is it this? 1, 2. Yes, two objects. Come on now, children. Match it. Yes. Match the square. 2. And our next number is number 3. Can you see 3 objects here? Can you see 3 objects here? What is the shape? Yes, now only we counted, right? Circle. See here. 1, 2, 3. Children, it's very important. You have to strike it out and count. Okay? Now we are going to match number 3. And next is 4. Can you see where is 4 objects? Count and see. Shall we count these triangles? How many is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my God. No, it's not 4. There are 5 objects in it. And now what is left out? diamond shape. Shall we count that and see, children? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, correct. We are going to match number 4 with the diamond shape. Yes, did you all do it? Yes, did you all do it? Next is number 5. Finally, we have only triangles left. So, we are going to match the triangles. And we are also going to count the triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes? Did you all do it? Was it easy, children? Yes? Now, ma'am is going to come back. Yes, children. Yes, come on. Show me. Yes, show me. One by one. Lift your papers, everyone, and show. I'm going to see everyone's paper now. Yeah, one by one. I will call you. Mute everyone. I will call one by one. Mute yourself. I will call one by one. First is Dev Krish. Attendance order wise will go. Dev Krish, show me your paper. Where is Dev Krish? Yes, Dev Krish. Very good, Dev Krish. Danvin, show me your paper. Danvin. Yes, very good, Danvin. Very good. And then Dikshan. Dikshan, show me your paper. Dikshan. Unmute and show me your paper, Dikshan. Here, ma'am, you should say. Yes, Dikshan. Very good, Dikshan. Very good. And then Farnas. Yes, Farnas. You didn't match Farnas? Yes, very good, Farnas. You have matched it little bit longer. We can't see you have matched it or not. Did you match Farnas?
Yes, ma'am, she has matched it.
Okay. It's not clear actually. Okay, very good, Farnas. Very good. And then Kartikeyan. Show me your sheet. Yeah, Kartikeyan, show me, ma. Very good, Kartikeyan. Very good. And then next is Hashni. Yes, Hashni, show me.
Ma'am, we didn't draw the sheet actually.
Yesterday you did it, right? Yeah, I saw.
Yeah.
Okay. Next is Kavyarni. Kavyarni. Show me your sheet, Kavyarni.
Okay.
Where is your sheet? Very good, Kavyarni.
Great.
Where is your sheet?
Okay.
Where is your sheet? Not okay. Your sheet.
Bye.
Okay, you have to do it and you have to send it in WhatsApp group, okay? And then next is Nightek. Nightek.
I'm deep.
Okay. Very good, Nightek. Well done, Nightek. Nukshita.
त्याला काय पुसरे बसता ऐकून
Nukshita, where is your sheet? Nukshita. Where is Nukshita? Nukshita. Very good, Nukshita. Good. Well done, Nukshita. Pranita. Pranita. Where is your sheet? Very good, Pranita. Very good. Ritvik. Ritvik, where is your sheet? Ritvik, are you there? Daddy's mama is matching. I can see. Ritvik. Ritvik is not there. Rohita. Ritvik is there. Come on, show me your sheet, Ritvik.
Show me your.
Lift it up and show me, Ritvik. Very good, Ritvik. Well done. Then, Rohita. Where is your sheet? Rohita. Very good. Rohita. Very good. Yeah, very good, Rohita. Good girl. Next, Sai Nitesh. Where is your sheet, Sai Nitesh? Sai Nitesh.
Ma'am, look.
చూసారు అరే కూర్చోరా
Wait, Chapada.
Sai Nitesh is not there. Satvika. Where is your sheet, Satvika? Satvika. Satvika, speak. Yes, very good, Satvika. You have struck it out and counted. Very nice, Satvika. Very good. Siddharth. Siddharth. Where is your sheet, Siddharth? Siddharth, are you there?
Ma'am, can you see, ma'am?
Yeah, I can see. Yeah, very good, Siddharth. You have also struck out and counted. Very good, Siddharth. Tarnika. Tarnika, where is your sheet? Tarnika. Sai Nitesh, show me your paper. Very good, Sai Nitesh. Well done, Sai Nitesh. Very good, both of you. Very good, very good. Very good, Sai Nitesh. You can hear me? Yes. Sai Nitesh is going to get a star. Sai Nitesh.
నిజంగా
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Well done. And then, Vishank. Vishank, did you finish it? Vishank? Very good, Vishank, but it is not. Yeah, very good, Vishank. Well done. Vivan? Yeah, chocolate, I think. Vivan? That's what you remember, right? Chocolate. But you won't answer me anything, huh? Vivan? Vivan, where is your sheet? Very good, Vivan. Vivan, you did it on your own, Vivan. Well done, Vivan. Well done. Ready? Very good, Ready. Very good, children. All of you have done very good. Very nicely you have done. We have to practice every day like this. Okay? Okay, see you tomorrow, children. Tomorrow be ready with a slate. We are going to practice using slates. Okay? Tomorrow be ready with your slate. Okay, children? Slate and chocolate. Yes? Yes, please. Janvi, I forgot. Oh my God, Janvi. Sorry, Janvi. Where are you, Janvi? Come on, Janvi. Show me your sheet. Sorry, Janvi.
Yeah, ma'am, we thought that it was a homework day before day. It was a completed
I just message it also. We will do the next day. Okay, very good.
It is a part of that, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, tomorrow, children, all of you tell your parents to keep your slate and chocolate ready for tomorrow's activity. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone. Bye.